Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss the latest digital marketing strategies for window and door companies. In today's video, we will discuss how you can use digital marketing to grow your business and reach out to more potential customers. First, let's understand what digital marketing is. In simple terms, it is using digital channels such as social media, search engines, and email to promote your products or services. With more and more people spending time online, digital marketing has become crucial for businesses of all sizes. As a window and door company, your online presence is just as important as your physical showroom. It is where potential customers will first interact with your brand and get to know your products and services. That's why having a strong digital marketing strategy is essential. Now, let me briefly explain why digital marketing is crucial for businesses in this industry. Digital marketing is crucial for window and door companies because it significantly enhances their visibility and reach in a competitive market. Traditional marketing methods are no longer sufficient to attract modern, digitally savvy consumers who research products and services online. Through digital marketing, businesses can target specific demographics, showcase their products through engaging content, and interact directly with the potential customers via social media. Effective SEO strategies ensure that the company appears in local searches, driving more traffic to their website. Additionally, digital marketing provides measurable results, allowing businesses to track the performance of their campaigns and adjust their strategies for better ROI. This comprehensive approach ultimately leads to increased leads, sales, and of course business growth. Now the question is, why invest in digital marketing? Window and door companies should invest in digital marketing because 97% of consumers in the US go online to find a local windows and doors as well as installation and replacement services. If you actually want to connect with them and increase window and door leads and sales, you have to meet them where they spend their time, and that is online. Now let's talk about the 5 digital marketing strategies to generate online leads for your window and door company. Number 1 is search engine optimization. It is vital for increasing your company's online visibility. By optimizing your website with relevant keywords such as window installation services or door replacement near me, you can attract more organic traffic. You need to ensure that your site is mobile friendly, fast, and easy to navigate. You can use local SEO strategies to target customers in specific geographical areas and claim your Google My Business listings to appear in local search results. Second is pay-per-click advertising. PPC campaigns like Google Ads allow you to target specific keywords and demographics. Create targeted ads that direct potential customers to a dedicated landing page on your website. Use compelling call to actions to encourage visitors to contact you for a quote or consultation. Monitor and adjust your campaigns regularly to maximize ROI. Third is content marketing. Creating high quality, informative content can attract potential customers to your website. Write blog posts, how-to guides, and case studies related to window and door installation, maintenance, and benefits. Use videos to showcase your projects, provide tutorials or customer testimonials. Share this content on your website and social media channels to establish your authority and drive engagement. Fourth is social media marketing. You can utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to connect with your target audience. Share engaging content, including project photos, customer testimonials, and promotional offers. You can use targeted ads to reach potential customers in your service area. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly, and encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and share their experience. Fifth is email marketing. Build and nurture a subscriber list by offering valuable content such as a free ebook on home improvement tips or exclusive discounts. Send regular newsletters with updates on your services, special offers, and new blog posts. Personalized email campaigns can re-engage past customers or target prospects who have shown interest in your services. Ensure your emails are visually appealing and include clear CTAs. By implementing these digital marketing strategies, your window and door company can attract more qualified leads, increase brand awareness, and ultimately drive more sales. Here is a real life example where we helped one of our clients. We helped My Timber Windows and Doors increase online leads and sales through a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. By optimizing their SEO for keywords like window replacement and door installation, we boosted organic search traffic by almost 50% in 6 months. Geo-targeted Google Ads campaigns generated 200 new monthly leads with a 15% conversion rate. Our content marketing efforts included blog posts and videos, increased site time by 35% and reduced the bounce rate by almost 20%. Social media ad campaigns gained 1,500 new followers and boosted engagement by 40%. Bi-weekly email newsletters achieved a 25% open rate, leading to 50 additionally monthly inquiries. Overall, leads increased by 60%, sales revenue rose by 25%, and we achieved a 4-to-1 ROI. If you consider Softrix for your digital marketing for window and door companies, we do offer comprehensive digital marketing packages tailored for the US, UK, and Australian markets with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support, ensuring your client's website and online success along with business growth. And I'm sure you understand that in today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for the success of any business, including window and door companies. By implementing these digital marketing strategies, you can reach more potential customers, increase your brand visibility, and ultimately grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on digital marketing for window and door companies. We'll see you in the next video.